What is due diligence and why do you need it in private equity? I learn best with analogies, so here we go. Imagine you're buying a used car. You wouldn't just hand over the cash because the car looks good on the outside, right? You'd check under the hoods, test the brakes. In private equity, due diligence is exactly that process. But for companies. When PE firms are thinking about investing or buying a company, they dive deep into something called a data room. This is a secure online space where the company has to share their records. Like for a car, you want to know its accident history, service records, and maybe even the owner's manual. Here are some things you would analyze in a private equity data room. 1, financials. Are the revenues real? Is the business profitable? 2, operations. How does the company actually run? 3, market potential. Is the industry growing? Who are the competitors? 4, legal risks. Are there lawsuits lurking in the background? But due diligence isn't about just finding out what's wrong with the company. It's making sure that the company can deliver on its potential. Due diligence is the ultimate trust but verify.
So I would say what she's talking about is true as far as it goes, but private equity is definitely not the only situation where you need due diligence. Anytime you're buying a business, whether it's a small, hot dog stand or a $10 million a year complicated manufacturing business, if you're buying it, you're buying it with some investor friends, you're part of a private equity firm or whatever. Whoever the buyers are, it doesn't really matter. The point is, if you're going to spend money to invest in an asset that you're hoping is going to produce future cash flow, you want to do your due diligence to make sure there's nothing about that deal that's going to come back to bite you, that it really is producing what it says, and there's no reason you as a new owner wouldn't be able to do the same, or ideally you have a plan to do even better once you take it over. So due diligence is great, and what she explained is right as far as it goes, but it's definitely not just for private equity. It's for anybody looking to buy a business and take it over and run it successfully. You want to make sure, spend the time and money to investigate that before you close the deal to find out if it's really what you think it is or not.